Welcome to Coastal 101, I'm John Kelly. We've all left the lights on in our car only to find a dead battery a few hours later. Luckily, jump-starting a vehicle is really easy. Here's how you do it. First, you're going to need a set of jumper cables and a vehicle with a working battery. Line up the front of your vehicles and have the hoods of both vehicles open. Take the key out of the ignition in the car with the dead battery. The other vehicle should not be running. Take out your jumper cables. Be careful never to touch any of the metal ends together. On the dead battery, hook up the red or positive clamp to the positive post on the battery. It's the one with the plus symbol. Then, hook up the red clamp on the other end of the jumper cables to the positive post on the good battery. Now attach the negative or black cable to the dead battery, and then the other end of the black cable to the negative post on the working battery. Finally, start the vehicle that has the working battery. Let it run 5 minutes or so. Now, start the vehicle with the dead battery. Let it run as you remove the cables. Start with the black cables, then the red. You'll want to go for a short drive, maybe 30 minutes to let the alternator do its job and get the battery charged back up. Whatever it is you need, your Northwest owned and operated Coastal has it. That includes everything from auto supplies, fencing, workwear, boots, barbecue, tools, country decor, and fashions for the whole family. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.